Because I've marketed to somebody somewhere that knows that, man, this guy has content. This guy can deliver. So Suka people is not coming to ask me, who are you? Can you deliver? No, the guy will just tell them, this one, he did it. He will just go online and bring all the videos. So all the videos I'm putting online. This video now they are shooting. All this gesticulation I'm doing is on. I know what I'm doing. Putting laptop here, putting something on screen. Easy, yeah. We cut the videos and put it online. So marketing. You say you're a designer. I'm actually talking to you, you. How many people know that you're a designer? Okay, let's break it down. How many adverts have you actually done? And you've gotten a few jobs. Even not from the advert itself. Because people don't know you. They don't know. Why will I spend so much money to do this kind of meeting? I want people to know me for these things. I would have said, okay, it's a graphics class, and Chima finished teaching, then let's wrap it on the day. I don't even need to come here. It's a lie. I will not pay all this money, pay for camera, pay for everything, and not talk. I need to talk to the camera. And this one I'm saying now, they will still record it and I will still put it online. The way I'm saying the way it is like this, I will still edit it myself and put it online like this. As simple as that video is, you see it, that advert. It's the same thing. Hello, can you hear me? Is this a real class and I'm doing advert now? I will cut this one, you will see it online. 5:30 a.m. today, a girl woke me up and said, he saw my advert. Let me show you the advert she saw. Do I have it on this phone? Yes. Let me show you the advert she saw. You don't understand. Marketing. You don't talk about money in marketing. People.
Okay, so who is ready to do business with me? If you have 10,000 naira, I'll be willing to run an advert for you and let's see what happens. 10,000 naira. If you have 10,000 naira, do let me know. Let me run an advert for you with 10,000 and you see the return. So that's like, don't tell me 5,000. Like, I just want to play around. That's why I'm saying 10,000. Like, I don't talk anyhow. I actually don't collect less than 30,000, but I'm just saying 10,000. Let's do a test. Okay, bye-bye, step seconds.
But what am I saying? If I thought about my teeth, I will not do video. I will not market. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. So you must market. See, what I'm actually teaching you today is this. When I say you can make money from graphic design without being a designer. I don't make hair. I can decide to market this sister that make hair. Because I don't know how to make hair. All I need to do is if I like her hair, like the kind of hair she makes, I can just decide to start marketing for her without her knowing. She tells me it's 10,000, right? I say, okay, no problem. I start marketing to people, and I tell them it's 20,000. I collect the job, I give to her, she delivers. She's happy, I go deliver. So what am I saying? There are graphic designers all over the internet. So you can actually go on your Instagram. I'm already showing you the secret and check for graphic designers. Since you want to be on that line and check for graphic designer, it means not only graphic designer. You can check for anything you are interested in, anything you know you can talk about very well, anything you know that you are good at in that area. Check for people that are already good at it and find out their price. There was time, there was a time, literally, I used to beg people to handle their Facebook. Let me handle it. My brother in South Africa, I've been begging him. Let me sell your course. He has an online course, Udemy. Very good guy in IT.